Let's jump right into this explainer and break down the actual hard science of psychedelics. Same molecule, exact same dose, totally different outcomes. Let's figure out this wild clinical anomaly. So what's really going on here? Why the huge shift if the chemical is literally identical? Get this, the data shows 70% of the outcome comes down to non-pharmacological variables.
First up is set. That's your mindset, your emotional baggage, and the expectations you bring in.
Then we have setting. This means the physical room, the social vibe, and the whole atmosphere. Here's the kicker. Psilocybin doesn't create meaning. It just supercharges the meaning already in your head. The REBUS model shows how our brain's strict predictive filters just completely let their guard down. With those filters gone, your physical surroundings literally become a pharmacologically active input in your brain. If you block the 5-HT2A receptor, the trip completely stops. It's the literal key to everything. Engaging this receptor directly fires up the brain networks responsible for deep emotional and social connections. But ignore this science, and you're brewing a perfect storm for a really bad psychological crisis. Actually, clinical data shows pre-session anxiety predicts a rough trip even more than the dose itself. But nail this, and Johns Hopkins clinical trials boast an absolutely incredible 80% success rate. So how do clinics pull this off? They carefully optimize 4 foundational domains. Let's look. It kicks off with 6 to 8 hours of prep, locking in stability and crystal clear intentions. The room has to scream safety. We're talking natural light, organic materials, and total physical comfort. Your guide is essential here. Your brain literally feeds off their emotional stability to ground you. Afterward, there's a vital 72-hour window. This dictates if those new neural pathways stick or vanish. To sum up, the molecule merely opens the window. It's the context that dictates absolutely everything. Knowing all this science, what kind of context are you building for your own mind today?